Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to open up the LOL Surprise Summer Mystery Box. And I'm back with my mommy.
Hi everyone, long time no see.
And I'm here with Olivia.
So this is Makayla's new realistic doll. She was like to be on camera. She got this for her birthday. Oh, she punched you in the eye. Naughty, naughty
She does
Olivia.
not like to be on camera.
Oh, she's shy. Okay, maybe she should go back to sleep so we could open this up.
Okay, now let's
I have scissors if we need them.
this. Oh, this is...
Again, this is the mystery box from Amazon. So it's every quarter, every season, I should say. We
This
get it.
looks like the other one. Can I open
this is
it
the
up?
summer one. First, let's show them before.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
I don't even know what's in here. Oh wait, hold on. There's a. Okay, so it comes in, has all these different bags. Oh my gosh, this actually seems like a lot more stuff than last time. So, you do the honors, ma'am.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh my.
So many. Take them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So-
and I'm 7. Can I open this one?
Sure. Okay, let's start opening
The
them
big
up.
one.
The big one first.
Oh, I can't do it.
Here.
Guys, be careful. I'm a big girl and I have to do this. Oh, it's a little blanket.
Oh, it's actually a towel. So because it's the summer box, it's a beach towel, I believe. See, this is a really cute one.
Can I see?
Look at.
Oh, it's so cute.
Next one.
Go
Let's see
away.
what this one is. Towel.
Oh, it's a little hat, Mommy.
Oh, it's so cute. Here, put this on. Wow. Wow.
Let me come up to the camera.
So awesome, possum. Well, good thing it's still hot over here, and it seems like it's gonna be hot for a while. We're barely opening it now because
Oh,
her
what
party.
is this?
her birthday and
What is this, Mom?
mommy was a
Mommy, what is
one man
this?
down over here, huh? I don't know. Is it another pillowcase? Huh? Oh, it's a little handkerchief.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
I think I know what this is. I think they
It
just
might be, I actually think it might be closed because it says the size.
Oh yeah! Oh, it is!
Oh, I like that one. Oh, the back is so cute. Oh, I like this
You
one.
knew it!
Okay, let's try
I
to guess
think-
what it is.
I think this is another shirt. I think this is another
I
shirt.
think that is...
I think it's another shirt. Let's check, okay? Oh, it's another one!
another handkerchief.
Yeah, so twins.
Wait, is that what it says it is? Let's see.
Oh my gosh. I think I know what this is. I think this is a hard book.
What? A book? That'd be
Yeah.
cool.
And what do you think it is?
Only thing I wish it came with is an actual LOL
What
surprise
do you
doll,
think?
huh?
What do you
Let me
think?
see. Let's try. I think it's like a little purse or a wallet.
I think it's a purse or a wallet too.
Oh yeah.
I think it too. Oh, it's a little.
Oh, it is a purse. I think the strap is inside. Oh, and it has a little wallet on the inside.
It has
Oh, it's a strawberry.
Oh, it has another.
Look, it has a little.
Oh, it's a little leash. Is this a leash?
It's a strap for the purse. Or a leash, depending on how you look at it, and then the little purse. Let me
this
see.
is-
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
I think it's another watch or I think it's another watch or a purse. What do you think?
I don't know. This one has me. I wonder if it's another purse. That would be interesting if it came with two, because it feels a little squishy like one.
Oh, it's something different. Oh, it's a puzzle.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is so it comes with a puzzle, and this is what you're supposed to put together. You actually really like puzzles, so that's good.
We love puzzles.
So it's vacation vibe. So the box is actually a really cute quality box too, and it's a good storage for other LOLs. So.
Yeah.
Bend down so they can see you. She's wearing every item she got. Okay, so we're wearing the bandanas or the handkerchiefs around her neck and her hair, the visor, the purse, the shirt, and the blanket slash towel that we're trying to figure out. No, show them the back of the shirt. Wow. And the puzzle, the only thing she can't wear. Nice. What are your final thoughts on the LOL Summer Mystery Box?
I like the blanket or the towel, whatever it's called, and I like the puzzle and the little cat more.
You like the puzzle and this more? What about the shirt?
Yep.
What about the purse?
Yep.
What about the hat? Visor?
Yep.
Okay, so you like all of it?
No, you forgot this?
And the handkerchiefs?
Nope.
So you don't like these? You can use them for blankets for your dolls. Okay, so do you like the summer one better or the spring one that we had before?
The summer one.
You like this one? I like this one too.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another LOL Surprise Summer Mystery Box Surprise, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell and give it a big thumbs up. Bye, and thank you.
Bye everyone.